Hello and what is up, you guys? As you can see in my background right here, I am here at Michael's. A little birdie told me that they had their candles on sale for 70% off, and that little birdie just so happened to be one of our crafting sisters, Victoria Holmes. Shout out, Victoria. Thank you for this little bug right here. I am going to go in to see if they have these candles 70% off here in my area. I appreciate you so much, you guys. So let's go ahead and just check it out to see if these candles are actually 70% off, y'all. So let's just find out. All right, y'all, so we are gonna go ahead and make our way into the store to see if we can grab some of these candles that are 70% off. All right, guys, we are inside of Michael's. As you can see, not a lot of people in here, but I know we are going to find these candles, and I see already 70% off, you guys, and they are fully stocked. When I say they are fully stocked here in my area, yes, clearance price 70% off. As you can see, there are several different brands, different kinds. The original price on these is $6.99. at 70% off. You were so right, Victoria. $2.10. All crafters, all basket makers, you guys need to get here in my area. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 70% off. She was so right, and they are fully stocked, as you can see. I just came around the corner, and guess what? I saw more candles, more. When I say fully stocked, if you are here in this area, go ahead and stop on in. Look at this one right here, guys. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. It is a red, white, and blue candle. Like I said, you see the prices on there, $6.99. That is so cute. And this kind is Bomb Sickle Pop. I know that smells amazing, you guys. So like I said, go ahead and come by. 70% off of candles. You cannot beat the price. $2.10 for a 17-ounce jar. All right. There were just so many fragrances, y'all. You know, I had to try each and every last one of them. So, of course, I cannot wait to show you guys which ones I decided to go with. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can see which ones I took home with me on today. My finds that I got today from Michael's. I got this information actually from one of our basket sisters, Victoria. She made a video that was talking about the candles that was on sale at Michael's. This is what they look like, you guys, and I had to go and check it out to see if they had them in my area, and sure enough, they did. These candles are usually priced at $6.99, and they were on sale for $2.10. So for all of you crafters, basket makers, these is a good deal. And when I tell you the size, you will love the size, because this is a 17-ounce jar is what it says on there. So they had a variety of scents, and I got me 8 of them. I did not get a lot because, as you all know, or if you do not know, I don't really have any storage space to stock up on a lot of things, but I do have a project coming up, and when I tell you, this came right on time. So I just want to go through the different scents that I thought were great. As you can see, the colors are so beautiful. Let's start with the white one. It is the honey and vanilla. When I tell you, oh my goodness, it smells so good. Now, mind you, I have not purchased these in the past, so I'm not sure how well that the scent lasts. I'm not sure of any of that, but when I say for $2.10 for this 17-ounce jar, it was just unmatched, unbeatable, okay? But this honey and vanilla, it smells really good. Like I said, they did have a lot of different scents, but all of them were not created the same, okay? Just keep that in mind. But these are the ones that I found that smell really, really good. And this one right here is strawberry. I love strawberry. You cannot go wrong with strawberry, y'all. And when I say, oh my goodness, smells so good. This one is coming through very well. This one right here, I was a little worried about, but this one says fresh pineapples. And when I smelled it, oh, it smells amazing as well, y'all. This one is fresh pineapple. And this one right here, it says Lotus Lagoon. It smells good also. This one was a little iffy for me, but as I kept smelling it, it started to come through really, really good, which is, what's another one? This one right here is Wisteria Lane. And by the way, this says Ashland. I guess the brand is Ashland, so Michael's probably heard this brand a lot, but it says Ashland. But this one is Wisteria Lane. And this one is not as strong as the other ones, but it still has a real nice floral scent. Like I said, they had several. So if you have a Michael's in your area, don't forget to go by. I am not sure how long the sale is gonna last, but they were, like I said, 70% off, and they do have a variety of scents available. So if you get a chance, don't forget to go by and grab these up. They are going to be great gifts for the holidays, which is of course right around the corners. $2.10, you cannot beat it, plus tax in my area was like $2.30. 17-ounce candles, a variety of scents. I mean, go check it out. Once again, shout out to Victoria, who I saw that they had these on sale, so I knew when the weekend came I had to come and grab up some. I have a project that I'm working on that is going to work out perfect for. So thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and support. So until the next video, bye for now.